Guys, I just made my first cooking video, so yeah, watch it, enjoy it. Yeah. Hey guys, what are you generation fried sausage, consist of cheese, sausage, onion, lettuce, ketchup, mayonnaise, bread. Put the butter in the pot, it'll fry up, and you got the oil. So let's do this. As you can see here, we got the butter and the knife, so we're gonna put that in there. That's gonna smoke up. It's gonna produce our oil. We will not eat. So guys, back here with these, so we're gonna take the onions and we're gonna throw it in the pot now while getting the oil from the butter. Let's go. So the oil's on extract, as you can see, that's the oil, and that's the butter. The oil is around the white thing. So we got the onions, let's get that in the pot. That's gonna cook up a little bit. Just stir up. Just cook the onion. Nice texture. They're gonna get golden color. So from here, it's just a basic process. We're just gonna add everything at once, but not at once to take your time. This is gonna melt real fast. So you can add the butter with the butter cook. We're not gonna add plenty because I don't like it too much. So that's all. There we go. We're gonna add the sausage. I'm gonna put everything into this. So just add it so let's give it a swirl. Get some light. The little cooking thing. You can smell that. Ingredients: cheese. Let's get it away.
Keep stirring it up, guys. Keep stirring. Because it's nice and creamy, as you can see, it's nice and creamy. There you have it, guys. It's already cooked. Ready to go? Just put this guy. Fires out.
There's a short ambulance in front of my house. Oh my god, there's an ambulance there. Okay, back to cooking. Now it's time to plate the food. The main part, the best part. Time to plate the food. We got two types of bread. We got sliced bread and we got hot dog bread. So we're gonna plate the food now. Let's get this rolling. So guys, I plated the food. Thanks for enjoying. Like, comment, and share. Peace.